We use Wizards all the time. I mean, this is the only product that we use for detailing. The DA polisher is amazing. Can't wait to get my hands on the mini polisher, but I'm just super happy and love this product. So I'm Justin Nichols. I own Nichols Paint and Fab out of C10, Illinois. On this truck, we do have a lot of different, glosses, matte, semi-gloss, powder coat. So pretty much, you guys got it covered with all this stuff. Wizards is there for every finish you got. Leaves a awesome look to it, and wouldn't want anything else. We've been in business for 12 years now, I think, but I've been doing it since I've been about 7. My dad got me into it, so it's been handed down, so I'm going to blame him. It was his fault. We're located in Watseka, Illinois. We're about an hour and a half south of Chicago, kind of out in the cornfields. Yeah, we called this thing Street Slime. 60 C10. This is just a purpose-built race truck, We're going to run Pikes Peak with it in June. We built this in 4 months, for SEMA. We got the invite to come out here. The whole front end tilts. It's all metal. There's no fiberglass on it. It's got a 1,000 horsepower LS built by Nicky Chevy in Chicago. Built with specialty wheels.
Fire! Do we want to give him warning? Yes. Fire in the hole! Chicago, 3 a.m. Dyno. Good? In a residential area.
What are some of the products that you guys use to keep the shine up and keep this vehicle protected? Obviously, Pikes Peak, you're talking about dirt and gravel and bugs and all the things that you don't want on your paint. So how do we get it back to this condition?
Well, with this vehicle having glossy and matte finishes, we got a couple of great products that we can use. Number one seller, I'm just going to grab it right here. Number one product is going to be the Mist and Shine Quick Detailer. That one you can use on the paint, the chrome, the windows, windshield. Even the wheels, the lifts of the wheels here. Got huge lifts on these wheels, and just cleaning those up can be a pain in the butt, but this is going to clean them right up.
You guys have everything that we need, whether it be your polishers or your materials. Been using Wizards forever. I remember using stuff on the shelf, from Dad's shop, and it's just been around forever, and that's all we've ever used.